Today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. These dogwoods are pretty. So welcome back everyone, Mike here. Before we get started today, I wanted to run down here and check out this food plot. We had some rain this past week. It's starting to grow a little bit better now. You can see all this clover starting to come up. It's everywhere. So far today I got a little mowing done, and then later on today I need to run down to my mom's place and get her grass cut as well. And in the meantime, though, we're going to head down to the sawmill here in a little bit, Melissa and I. We're going to saw some more of that red pine up. If you saw that video the other day, there's a guy right out the road from us that has a real nice kiln. So I'd like to end up with about 1,800 or 2,000 board feet to take out to him to dry it. Now that red pine, it dries pretty quick on its own, but I want to put it in a kiln just to make sure if there's any bugs in there or anything like that, it'll kill them all. So I had a slight change of plans. I was planning on running the sawmill, but I got word there a little bit ago that I'm going to get a couple loads of logs this week. There'll be some firewood poles and some real good saw logs, and they are going to go right here where this giant hole is in the ground. So I'm going to have to get this filled in, compacted a little bit, and get ready for those logs. I think I need about 3 more loads up there, because I also found a guy, they just dug a house foundation. I missed it by a couple days, but he said they got some more to get rid of. It's good shale. It's only about 2 miles from here, so I'm going to get a couple triaxle loads of that from him, and that should be everything that I need up there at the building. And besides, I really don't want to go any further with this hole towards those logs there behind me. Right here, I don't really need to drive in this area or anything, but as I get close to that log pile, I want to make sure it's nice and solid, so I don't want to be have a big hole there that I backfilled.
Okay, I'm with grandson Ty. He loves to watch the excavator. He'd love to be in it, right? I'm talking to that camera. He's kind of like, who are you talking to? Mike missed some good video footage. The dogs ran down here. They wanted to be in all this, and Mike's like, I can't be running that with the dogs down here. So I ran the dogs back up. They were ticked. They wanted to be able to stay. Did you wave? Grandson Ty and his dad, our son Levi, walked from their house all the trails to our house. And Hunter and I left our house at the same time they left their house, and we met on the trails. Ty was so surprised. Ty saying uh-oh. It's been a great weekend, but I heard the future this week. I heard that it's gonna rain. It's gonna storm like on Tuesday and rain a few other days. So, but we had a beautiful weekend, no rain, and actually today the temperatures got nice where we could be out here in our short sleeves. I'm gonna show you Ty's sunglasses. He wears them upside down too. Do you want to put your hat on? And I'll take my phone. That's the microphone. Do you have something to say? See, it's connected to this, and then it comes up through my shirt. Oh, okay. Let me put them up on your hat.
So I mentioned earlier that today's video was sponsored by HelloFresh, and we want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. They have been a fantastic partner to our channel, and they make delicious food. Show them what we just ate, Melissa.
We just had the Szechuan pork.
Very, very good.
Rice is very good. Very filling.
We've done several sponsored videos for HelloFresh, and we're actually a customer of theirs besides that. But we love it. What do you like most about HelloFresh?
I succeed in the kitchen.
And it's super easy, and I don't have to run out and get stuff because she doesn't have a certain ingredient. But it is a wonderful product. I would say the food isn't even restaurant quality. It's better than that. We haven't had one thing that we don't like.
That's right.
And everybody in the family enjoys it. And Eva is by far the most picky eater. She likes everything as well. Hunter, he likes just about anything.
He does.
But he absolutely loves HelloFresh. And one thing else I'll mention, if you go back to some of our previous sponsored videos for HelloFresh and read through some of the comments, you'll see a bunch of people that feel the same way about it as we do. But I think it's been a hit. It really has
been. The steps, this is the other side of the card. The steps are simple to understand, read and understand, and they give you a picture. So what you're doing should look similar to this.
And it does. Now, what's that called again? I can't pronounce that.
Szechuan pork.
Szechuan pork, and it was delicious. We just ate it.
Too bad our daughter-in-law Kate wasn't here. She could rattle that right off.
But anyway, if you want more information on that, there will be a link in the description. You go to HelloFresh.com, and if you use our code Outdoors12, you get 12 free meals plus free shipping.
When we met Ty on the trail, when we were walking out the trail and Ty was coming from his house, we were coming from our house, we met on the trail. Hunter saw him, and Hunter made a sound that sounded like the word bye. So I think he might have been noticing Ty and trying to say it. Ty looked up so surprised. He had his hat on and instantly pulled it down over his face. It was so cute. As this, just to hide his embarrassment of his surprise. Okay. Like that. So we've been busy with making wedding plans with our backyard wedding for daughter Hannah coming up in early July. We're almost down to 2 months So it's going to be a busy 2 months. Our daughter-in-law, Kate, which is Ty's mom, is due to have a baby in early June, and she could possibly go at the end of May. So Ty's going to be a big brother. And we're super excited because it's a little girl. Oh, he wants to go see his pap. You gotta wait until his pap comes out.
There's a giant hole over here.
Yeah.
That's some hat you got there, Ty. What is that on there? Palm tree. Huh. You want to check out this big hole I got going on here?
Oh boy.
Definitely don't want to get too close to that.
Wow. You hit water.
No, that's from the rain the other day. That's not groundwater.
I was kidding.
Yeah, people always ask about groundwater. We don't, it's down about 300 feet here.
Exactly. You're going to be digging and drilling for a while. You can't go too close.
But it was getting kind of hard over that way over there. I just kind of stayed this side. It's a little finer. It'll make better fill. I'm going to take that load up, and then I think that's going to be the last one I need to haul up there. And then I'll start cutting down this bank a little bit here and backfilling this big hole here. What do you think, Ty? Huh?
Yeah, if this is, yeah, I would even cut in, I guess.
Yeah, I just don't want to get too close to that one chestnut tree up there. But this whole bank, there's a lot of dirt right through here.
Right.
I can shave off of there.
Okay, so we want to thank everybody for sending in the license plates. That's been working out really well. One is super exciting. The girls think it's like Christmas every 2 days. And I have a process. We're going to show you the plates. And right now, I just want to make sure I keep everybody's plate with the package it came in, because I'm writing the thank you notes to go out. So it's just my process.
You've got a lot of thank you notes to write.
I do, but it's just my process. I feel better organized to have your plate, and many of you have attached a letter explaining where the plate came from, or sharing a little story with us that we love to read that, and we share that at dinner time. So thank you so much. And we will be sharing our inventory of plates.
Yeah, and if you want to send some in.
Oh yeah, so send it to our post office box, P.O. Box 2140, Cranberry Township, PA 16066. All right.
So Ty's, you're getting a lot more mobile and a lot faster, a lot harder to keep up with.
Just a lot of fun.
He's looking at that microphone, wondering what you're wearing that for. Say something, Ty. You got a microphone right there. He hears an airplane now.
Oh yeah.
Airplanes, birds, easily distracted. He has to check everything out, wonder what's going on.
He takes everything in.
But he loves watching the excavator run. A little sleepy there, are you?
I love watching him yawn. He's spending the night tonight, so that's good.
All right. But Melissa, do you want to wrap this video up for us?
Yeah, I want to remind everyone to go check out Morgan's Off the Leash. That's my YouTube channel, and we have some great videos I want you to check out. I think you'll really enjoy them. They're very entertaining and full of surprises. But I do want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. We do love it. Check out the link in the description, and we'll see you on the next one.